We'll guide you through how to bass boost in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the available options. Then select Import from the menu to bring your audio into the project panel. Choose the audio file you want to use. Then click Open to import it into the project so it becomes available for editing. After that, drag the audio onto the timeline so you can start editing and applying effects to the clip. For example, trim or cut the audio first so you can compare the original sound with the bass-boosted version more clearly during playback. Move the playhead according to your needs to find the exact position where you want to create a split in the audio. Then select the razor tool so you can cut the clip at a specific point. Cut the timeline at the playhead position to divide the audio into separate parts that can be edited independently. After making the cut, press V on the keyboard to switch back to the selection tool so you can continue working normally. Next, move the playhead to the beginning of the audio again so you can preview the entire clip after applying the effect. Go to the Effects panel, where you can find various audio effects that can be applied to your clip. In the search bar, type Graphic Equalizer to quickly locate the effect without scrolling through the full list. Choose the graphic equalizer you want to use, for example Graphic Equalizer with 10 bands, depending on your preference and editing needs. Then drag the effect onto the audio clip. For example, apply it to the second part, so you can easily compare the processed audio with the original section. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel to access and adjust the effect settings. Click Edit in the Custom Setup section to open the equalizer controls where you can fine-tune the frequencies. Adjust the bass according to your needs, for example similar to the video, by increasing the lower frequency levels carefully so the sound becomes deeper without distortion. Press space or click the play button to preview the result and listen to the difference between the original and bass-boosted audio clearly.